Hello and thank you for stopping by to my channel. This here is an 18-inch by 36-inch polished marble. With the stone, you should always use a white glue, a white cement. I have posted on there, it's a Cara Plus. You should always use a white cement on any stone. It could be limestone, marble, granite, so forth. If you use gray stone or gray cement, you're gonna get a really bad discoloration in stone. That's why you always stick with white. Sometimes stone has a variation of light, dark, a medium. So we do have more darker stone than light. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to match it up a little bit darker. So it's an enhanced sealer that I posted a picture of it. And what you do is you need to wait for your stone to cure for, believe it or not, 2 to 3 weeks because it's very porous and it does take a long time to go back to its natural state. With that piece of, say if you always save a piece of scrap cut, preferably a light stone, and just with a white rag, you always use white, not a colored rag like a red or blue, just always white. And just test it on a light stone and let it set for probably an hour, and then come back and try it again, see if you can get a little bit darker until you have that right tone for it. My grout color, I believe, oh God, I think it was a gray that I used to make a nice match with the stone. Anyways, I hope you enjoy this video, and if you have any questions, please just ask and I will try to help you as much as I can. Thank you, and please enjoy the video.